Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have our own brand, the Simply Scuba Premium Computer Case. So for this instance, we decided to make a semi-rigid clamshell case to keep your dive computer safe when it's in storage or when it's being transported. So the case itself is semi-rigid in such that it sort of resists crushing. So that way it's great when you're transporting things. Your dive computer isn't going to get too much sort of damage whilst it's in your suitcase. It's a clamshell design, so we've got the double zipper opening, but on the inside we also put some of this sort of foam on the top and the bottom, and that has a couple of features. One, it's got a bit of sort of shock protection, so it's going to protect your dive computer from bumps and shocks, but also it's going to stop it from rattling around inside of the case by kind of squeezing it together when it's closed. So we purposefully made this a little bit bigger than it needed to be, just because we thought we didn't want to rule out any large dive computers. So here's an Eon Steel. This is a fairly good sized dive computer compared to a lot of other ones. And as you can see, there's plenty of space. You can either fit like your transmitter next to it. There's plenty of space inside the case to keep your dive computer and any accessories that you need to safe. So yeah, we're really proud of this. We made it to sort of keep your dive computers safe whilst they're in storage or whilst you're transporting them. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.